How to get internet browser on Roku device tutorial. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Roku device don't natively support a web browser, but you can still access the internet in a few ways. First step, you can simply use screen mirroring from a mobile device or PC. For that, on Roku, you have to go to Settings, then select System. Select screen mirroring and set it to prompt or always allow. If you're on Android or Windows, you need to enable screen mirroring on Android. This may be called Cast, Smart View, or Screen Mirroring. On Windows, you can use the project feature. Similarly, on iOS, you will need to use third party apps like Mirror for Roku, available on the App Store since iOS doesn't natively support mirroring to Roku. So, step 2, you can use a third party Roku channel for browsing. While Roku doesn't have native browsers, some channels or apps function as basic browsers. Web Browser X, this is a simple browser but has immediate functionality. Lightweight media browser, mostly used for media content but allow access to some web pages. Also, mirroring apps, so apps like Web Videocast can cast website from your phone to Roku, though they are primarily designed for video streaming. So last step is you can cast from a Chrome browser on a PC. On your computer, you can select the three dots menu in the upper right corner and choose cast and select your Roku device. So these workarounds provide internet access, though not as smoothly as traditional browsers. So these were the simple steps to get internet browser on Roku device. I hope this video worked. So if you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.